Okay, so here are top 5 AI updates from Apple's event. First one is custom emojis creation. Users can now create original emojis termed Zenmoji by typing a description or selecting a photo of a friend or family member. This feature aims to personalize the emoji experience significantly. Second one is notification summarization. Apple Intelligence provides summarized notification across apps, helping users prioritize important messages. This includes a new feature in Mail that identifies time-sensitive emails and presents the most critical information instead of just the first few lines. Writing assistance. Integrated writing tools allows users to rewrite, proofread, and summarize text in various applications, including mail and notes. Additionally, in the phone app, when a call recording is initiated, participants are notified and a summary is generated post call to capture key points. Fourth one is AI vision with Siri. Siri has been upgraded to include visual intelligence capabilities. Users can utilize the camera for tasks like reverse image searches, which can pull up relevant information about restaurant or events directly from images. Fifth one is contextual photo finder. The Photos app now includes enhanced search capabilities, allowing users to find a specific moment in videos and create movies by simply typing descriptions. This feature leverages natural language processing to make searching for photos more intuitive. For more AI stuff, follow AI with Uday. For more AI stuff, follow AI with Uday.